So next we'll see about the structure and their IUPAC name of the different classes of benzodiazepines. So this is the structure of benzodiazepine. This is connected with nitrogen. Here one double bond will be there. This will be connected with another benzene ring. Yes or no? Like this. So this is the structure of benzodiazepine. Now see, in that benzodiazepine, numbering will start from nitrogen. Already I mentioned earlier. So numbering will start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What I also mentioned in that at 7th position there should be a highly electronegative group. That is here one highly electronegative group will be there. This nitrogen should be in this, in the case of, in the place of R there should be a CH3. That is alkylation of nitrogen should be there. So it will increase the activity. And along with that this ring should be present. This is very very important. This is called phenyl group. Phenyl group. Here you will see one keto functional group, that is called carboxyl group, or you can say keto functional group. You will also see another chlorine group here, highly electronegative group such as chlorine group. So high electronegative group, this is very very important for the activity. Okay, now you will see that methyl group. This is also important. Methyl group. Okay, so you have to remember that in this numbering will start from according to alphabetical order. So what will be the IUPAC name? IUPAC name will be 7 chloro 1 methyl 7 chloro 1 methyl, then 5 phenyl 7 chloro 1 methyl 5 phenyl, then benzodiazepine 2-one. Benzodiazepine 2-one. 2-one means that ketone group. So this is the chemical name of benzodiazepine. This is an example of which type of benzodiazepine? This is an example of long-acting benzodiazepine. So right here, long-acting BDZ. Okay. This is an example of long-acting benzodiazepine. Now we will see other example of long-acting benzodiazepine such as flurazepam and clonazepam. So in flurazepam, everything will be same as the structure of normal benzodiazepine, except what will happen? In that benzene ring, you will see one fluorine is added. So naming flurazepam. Okay. So here what will happen? One fluorine ring will be added. And the next thing is that this CH3 group will be now replaced. That is methyl group will be now replaced by diethylamino ethyl group. Ethyl group means 1, 2. So this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Ethyl. This ethyl group is connected with diethylamine. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is 1 ethylamine. See, 1 ethylamine, 2 ethylamine, so diethylamine. And this is called diethylamino ethyl group. Ethyl group again, why? Because 1 carbon, 2 carbons. Here is 1 carbon, here is 1 carbon. So this is the structure of flurazepam. Remaining everything will be same. So the naming will be 7 chloro 1 in bracket diethyl amino ethyl bracket closed. So diethyl amino ethyl. Next 5. Now see, this is 5. This is phenyl group, but this phenyl group again connected with 1, 2. So here again fluorine group is present. So 1, 2. So 5 you can say fluorophenyl. Fluorophenyl. Next benzodiazepine 2-on. So the naming will be 7-chloro, 1 diethylaminoethyl, 5 fluorophenyl benzodiazepine 2-on. Okay. Whatever I told is that you have to remember the structure by using name only. So in the case of flurazepam, fluorine is there. So fluorine means presence of fluorine will be there. Okay. Now we will see next is clonazepam. So in clonazepam, same structure is almost same. Whatever will be replaced is that in the case of fluorine, now you will see one chlorine will be there. So here you will see one chlorine group. And here you will see NO2 group. NO2 group will be there at 7th position. Okay. That diethylaminoethyl group will be not there now. So nitrogen is totally free. One hydrogen will be there normally. So now your numbering will start from same nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now naming will start from chlorine C. So it will start from here. So 5. So write naming 5 chlorophenyl, 5 chlorophenyl, 7 nitro. Next everything is same. Benzodiazepine 2-on. Okay, this is very easy. So here this is the chlorophenyl group. This is the chlorophenyl group and this is the nitro group. So 5 chlorophenyl, 7 nitro, benzodiazepine 2-on. Next we will see the intermediate acting benzodiazepines. So all the structure will be almost same, little bit changes will be there. Okay. So next we will see intermediate acting. Intermediate acting benzodiazepines. Okay. The first one will be nitrazepam. So the structure of nitrazepam. See, in this first we have to draw the scaffold. That is basic structure. This is the basic structure. Yes or no? This is the basic structure. Now in this is nitrazepam. Nitrazepam means presence of NO2 group. So at 7th, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at 7th position, electron withdrawing group will be there. Already I mentioned earlier. This nitrogen will be free like this. Here one carboxyl group will be there. Remaining everything is same. The most important point that you have to remember is that in nitrazepam, there is no substitution in that 5th position benzene. So no substitution. You have to remember that. So what will be the chemical name? Now see, this NO2 is strong electron withdrawing group. Yes or no? So what I mentioned in the SAR, that a strong electron withdrawing group will increase the activity or pharmacological activity of the complete benzodiazepine. Okay. So what will be the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name will be 7-nitro 5-phenyl benzodiazepine 2-on. Okay. So this is the chemical name. Next, second structure or second intermediate structure is alprazolam. So structure of alprazolam. What I mentioned earlier, if you remember, that in alprazolam there will be a ring structure. What is the name of that ring structure? 1,3,4-triazolyl benzodiazepine. So write the scaffold, basic scaffold. That is basic structure. So this is the basic structure of benzodiazepine. In this you will see at 5th position phenyl group, at 2nd position double bond O. This is the basic structure, yes or no? This is the benzene ring. This is also benzene ring. But now, in this double bond O will not be there. It will be replaced with one ring structure, that is 5-membered, and the name of that is triazole. Triazole means in this you will see three nitrogen will be present. Along with that 3 nitrogen, there will be a methyl group present. So this is the structure. And here you have to remember one thing, that this benzene ring is not substituted. There is no substitution. This structure is called triazole. This structure is called triazole. Here benzene ring as it is present. Here highly electronegative group. Electronegative group. This is no substitution. This is the 7-membered ring, and this is the triazole ring. So this is simply, this one is the benzodiazepine, and this is the basic scaffold of the benzodiazepine. Along with that, these are the substituent. These are the added extra points. You have to remember one most important point is that this nitrogen is the point of fusion. So sometimes they asked in the question, competitive exam. So this is point of fusion. Okay. And because of this, it is called triazolyl benzodiazepine. Triazolyl benzodiazepine. Okay. So the chemical name will be 8-chloro. Why 8-chloro? Okay, I didn't tell you the numbering. In this, numbering will also be changed. So numbering will be like this. This nitrogen is 1, then this one is not this nitrogen. This is the point of fusion. Sorry, this is the point of fusion. This will be the 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. So this is the point of fusion. So there will be no numbering here. And again, this is also the point of fusion. So there will be no numbering here. Okay. So numbering will be start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this is substituent. Okay. So the naming, chemical name will be 8-chloro, 1-methyl, 8-chloro, 1-methyl, 6-phenyl, 6-phenyl, triazolyl benzodiazepine. Then 2-on will be there, yes or no? 2-on will be there or not? No, there will be no 2-on. Why? Because C double bond O is not there. So 2-on will not be there. You have to remember that. Okay. Next, we will see the structure of short-acting benzodiazepines. So what are short-acting benzodiazepines? They are oxazepam and lorazepam. So right here, short-acting benzodiazepines. Number 1 is oxazepam. In this, oxa means oxygen. So oxygen is related to hydroxy group. So the structure will be nitrogen like this. Yes or no? Now see, in that case, this nitrogen is having hydrogen. Here double bond O will be present also. Now see, this one will be having hydroxy group, and because of this, the name of the compound oxazepam. Why? Because this is hydroxy group. Okay. So due to the presence of hydroxy group, it is called oxazepam. Nothing else. Everything is same. So this is the high electronegative group, and everything is same. So what will be the UPSC name or chemical name? Chemical name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 chloro, 3 hydroxy, 7 chloro, 3 hydroxy. Next 5 phenyl benzodiazepine, 2-on. Yes or no? So this is the chemical name. You have to remember that one, this hydroxy group, sometimes it is asked in the competitive exam because it is the only structure which is having hydroxy group. The remaining all the other are not having any hydroxy group in the third position. So you have to remember the position also. At third position, which group? Hydroxy group. In which exam? Which compound? Oxazepam. Oxazepam is which type of benzodiazepine? It is the short-acting benzodiazepine. What is the next compound? That is lorazepam. So let's see the structure of lorazepam. Lorazepam. First, you have to write the basic structure. Simple benzene. This benzene is connected with 7-membered ring, and that 7-membered ring having 2 nitrogen. Again, it is having connected with 1 phenyl group. Here at 7th position, 1 chlorine group will be there. At 2nd position, C double bond. This nitrogen is connected with hydrogen, and here OH group present. This short acting, so you have to remember both the short acting benzodiazepines, that is oxazepam and lorazepam, is having OH group, that is hydroxy group. So you have to remember at third position, presence of OH, ultimately characteristic of short acting benzodiazepine. This is very important point. Now let's see the structure. In this benzene group, 1 chlorine group will be there. So what will be the compound name? Chemical name will be 7 chloro 5 chlorophenyl 7 chloro 5 chlorophenyl. Next 3 hydroxy. Next benzodiazepine 2-on. Yes or no? 7 chloro 5 phenyl, or you can say 5 chlorophenyl 3 hydroxy benzodiazepine 2-on. Am I clear? This is the structure of lorazepam. Next we will see the ultra short acting benzodiazepine. So what are ultra short acting? Ultra short acting benzodiazepine example is, what is the example? It is triazolam. So again in this triazolam also you will see one extra ring. Which ring? That is present in another compound, that is alprazolam. Okay. So you have to remember that this is very important. These two compounds are the example of triazolyl benzodiazepine. They are alprazolam and triazolam. Numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why this is not numbered? Because it is in point. Which point? Joining point. This is also in joining point. That joining point is called point of fusion. Okay. Now see what will be the chemical name. The chemical name will be 8 chloro. 8 chloro. Again, what is this? 6 chlorophenyl. 6 chlorophenyl. 8 chloro. 6 chlorophenyl. Then what is that? Triazolyl benzodiazepine. 8-chloro 6-chlorophenyl triazolide benzodiazepine is the chemical name of triazolam. Okay, in the next video we will see the synthesis of the diazepam. Okay, thank you. If you feel like watching my video is worth it, then please subscribe my channel.